As a mother to 3 kids and a GP practicing holistic healthcare, I've always been passionate about using the highest quality natural ingredients in my inventions. I incorporate many Ayurvedic elements in my products due to my grandmother. She comes from Kerala, so she would make her own coconut oil and infuse it with herbs and make us have weekly oil baths, even though we were very reluctant at the time. She would also often bring back herbs from her Ayurvedic supplier from India and make us apply these masks and pastes. So right now, as I work, smelling these herbs brings me back to my childhood many a time. At the moment, I lead my 40-year-old medical practice, founded by my father, and we treat many chronic skin conditions like psoriasis, eczema. My own son had terrible eczema, which prompted me to create the first Noosh Naturals product, which is the sea bug balm. Through this, I wanted to help mothers who are also looking to find natural solutions for their children's skin problems, or even problems dealing with curly and textured hair. All proceeds at the moment go towards medical R&D for a knee strap which I patented and invented, and it treats osteoarthritis. You can be rest assured though that all products from Noosh Naturals are handmade and you get the best out of each and every item because they are made in small batches. I hope that by this endeavor, I'm creating a difference to those people who need my products. I'm Dr. Anusha and I'm the founder of Noosh Naturals.